Hey you guys, welcome back to your channel. Is this your first time here? Please consider to subscribe. To all of my new and returning subscribers, hello and welcome, and I thank you so much for being here and also for your support. Don't forget to hit the bell notification each time I upload videos so YouTube can let you know. Today's video, I'm about to show you what I cooked for Easter Sunday, which was yesterday. So happy belated Easter to you if you did not watch my previous video last week. And yes, I was very tired. Your girl was tired. It was a lot of cooking and it was only done by me, the chef. Yes, I'm just playing. I'm not a chef. I just learned how to put together, certain dishes. I did not show you how I make the mac and cheese, which later on you will see. It takes a long time. I'm Haitian and it takes a village to cook our food, guys. So enjoy the video. Hit the bell notification each time I upload a video so YouTube can let you know. Those are some cut up vegetables, fresh garlic, peeled and smashed a little bit. This is the chicken. It was marinated overnight. This is my water for my macaroni. I like to put some fresh garlic, cloves, and the pink salt, the Himalayan salt. And this been about to melt some butter so I can pour over the chicken. Okay guys, I'm making black rice, also called duri jojo or mushroom rice. Comment down below if you ever taste Haitian food. That rice is very popular in our cuisine. I'm putting a lot of things in there. I did not go into details because again, it takes a village to cook this type of food. If you would like to know more in depth of how I make the rice, I'll be more than happy to just make another video just simply to show you how I make that rice. Those of us that are Haitian know exactly what I'm putting in there. Et voila guys, this is the final reveal. This was a easy, very table settings. I did not put a lot of things on the table since we're about to eat on it. And also, this was only for the three of us, myself, my daughter, and my husband. We had a very great Easter. Food was delicious. And I hope that you guys had a great Easter as well. I don't know what happened to this setting. I did not see the fork before I took the video. I was like, oh, well, I'll just eat with another fork. So, yes, guys, don't forget to hit the bell notification. Also, subscribe, like, and share. Always protect yourself and your family. I will see you in my next video. Love you all. Ciao.